New kitchen. Who that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and today we are doing something I know y'all gonna love. Cheddar baked biscuits from the famous restaurant. So you guys so excited? Let's get started. Now, in order to make vegan buttermilk, you're gonna need 1 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Yes, the sticky stuff, but y'all gonna have to just get it together. It's gonna make the milk curdle. Buttermilk. Just work with me, okay? To start making these biscuits, you are going to need 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I use brown, but please feel free to use white. 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, plenty of salt. Well, maybe not plenty, but enough. You're gonna need some parsley just because this is herb biscuits, so people want to see the herbs. So shake it in there. Now you're gonna need 1/2 cup of vegan butter, 2 cups of vegan cheddar. Here I use the new Daiya cutting board series. I love it. Now you're gonna add in your buttermilk and get to mixing. Yes. Red Lobster biscuits don't have a rhyme or reason, so you don't have to worry about using a biscuit cutter. You just kind of just drop them things right there. You know, that's what you do. Cause they ain't no shade. Alright, I did not measure this butter, but if I look at just the pan, I would say this is about 3/4 a cup of butter. And I also chopped up 2 cloves of garlic off camera, so put that also in your pan. You're gonna hit them with the parsley like that there. You're gonna hit them with that, just like that there. A little bit more, because they want to see the green. Alright, our biscuits are gonna go into the oven for 20 minutes on 350 or until they're golden brown on top. So just watch them, because you don't want to burn them. And that's my timer for the biscuits. Yes, it is. I'm gonna get them out with my handy dandy bit here. It's very expensive. Can't afford this. Y'all like that? Thought you would. This is hot. Burn my hand. Put this down. I left our butter glaze on low the entire time the biscuits were cooking, so this is the consistency we have. There. Now, I did not have my food processor today. I'm about to fall over. If you have a food processor, it might be even better to chop up the garlic even finer. I just didn't mind today because it's all gonna still be delicious and wonderful and all that good stuff. All right, let's glaze these bad boys. That's what you're waiting on. Alright guys, for the moment you've all been waiting for, let's taste these bad boys. Oh, get you a piece. Get you a piece. Like, yes. Okay, here we go, because I'm professional. Make me want to sing a little song. I don't know what song I want to sing. Listen, I know y'all don't believe me. So I'm going to have a friend come over. Let me call her right now.
Ooh, it smells good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. If you got a vegan party coming up.
Easy.
It's good. Listen. Why are you so confused?
Because I'm trying to figure out how did you make all this. For it to be vegan.
Just watch the video. As always guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time.